Hello everyone. Before jumping into today's topic, I would first like to thank the supporters of this video, Mason Chassis. Mason Chassis Private Limited is a real estate consultancy in Pune. To buy any residential property in Pune, please call them on 95797 87777. Thank you again, Mason Chassis Private Limited. Class 10th Political Science Solutions, Chapter 5 Challenges Faced by Indian Democracy. In a democracy, dash participate in elections and get political power. In a democracy, political parties participate in elections and get political power. The major challenge faced by all democratic nations in the world is dash. The major challenge faced by all democratic nations in the world is deepening the roots of democracy. Alertness is required to sustain democracy, yes or no? Yes, alertness is required to sustain democracy. Importance of the problems of farmers and tribals has increased in the left extremist movement. Importance of the problems of farmers and tribals has increased in the left extremist movement? No. People may lose confidence in the democratic process due to corruption during elections, yes or no? People may lose confidence in the democratic process due to corruption during elections, yes. Explain the concept, left extremism and corruption. Point 1. It is a form of dishonest or unethical conduct for personal gain by people at influential position. Point 2. It is found at all levels of economy, politics, social, and also at government levels. The misuse of power is also called corruption. Point 3. Bogus voting, giving bribe to voters are examples of corruption in the election process. Point 4. Hoarding of goods and then selling them at price more than the market value is also a way of corruption. Point 5. Corruption in the public and private sector is the biggest problem in India. Point 6. People develop distrust and dissatisfaction about the entire system. They lose trust in the democracy because of corruption. Which factors are required for the success of democracy in India? Point 1. Though democracy is the government of majority, the opinions of minorities, religious, ethnic, and linguistic should be included in the decision-making process. Point 2. Stringent laws must be implemented to stop criminalization of politics. Point 3. Efforts should be made not only at the level of government but also at social and personal level. Point 4. Decisions about important public policies should be taken after interaction with the people. Participation of people should increase in all government undertakings. What are the effects of criminalization of politics? Point 1. Money and muscle power gets undue importance. Point 2. Violence increases during elections and it becomes difficult to hold elections in free and fair environment. Point 3. Terror seizes the mind of people and their participation becomes less in administration. Point 4. People lose their tolerance and the development of democracy does not take place. What efforts are undertaken to bring transparency in political process? Point 1. An independent election commission is appointed to hold free and fair elections. Point 2. Stringent laws are made to stop criminalization of politics. Point 3. Laws are formed to stop corruption in politics and elections. Point 4. Courts have banned people who are corrupt and those having criminal background or criminal allegations from taking part in political process. थँक्यू.
अशा प्रकारचे व्हिडिओज बनवण्यासाठी तुम्ही आम्हाला संपर्क करू शकता ह्या ईमेल ॲड्रेसवरती contact@schoolwithai.com. थँक्यू.